What's up people, I hope you're all doing well, and in this video I want to quickly go over and share my earnings from YouTube in the year of 2021, which actually happened to be my first year of actually uploading videos and taking it seriously. And within that first year, the channel managed to grow from 0 subscribers all the way to over 7,000 subscribers, and we also managed to amass over 335,000 views across the year. Now, the reason for me making this video is to hopefully show you guys the reality of a new and small growing channel and basically show you the earnings and everything going on behind the scenes. But not only that, I really hope this video can actually help and inspire some of you guys who have been thinking and contemplating as to whether they should start a new channel in the year of 2022. So I really do hope you guys can get some value and information out of this video. So just for those of you who are coming across my channel and content for the very first time, let me give you a quick background on me. So typically the content that I post on my YouTube channel is around making money online and attempting different online businesses and seeing if they work or not. But for the most part, I'm actually a graphic designer, and typically a lot of the videos that I post on my channel are centered around graphic design, and a lot of them are around Fiverr, which is an online freelancing website, which I'm sure most of you have heard about by now. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up my YouTube studio here on the screen. That way I can show you the earnings from the channel across the year of 2021. So what I'm going to do is give you guys the month to month here on my YouTube studio, and then I'll give you guys the final number at the end. But if you are eager to know, I will put the timestamp down here somewhere at the bottom of the screen, so you can skip to that if you want. So starting off in January, we didn't actually make anything in terms of ad revenue, as you can see here. Bearing in mind this was my first month of uploading to YouTube, and as you can see here, this was my only video upload, which was on the 21st of January. So throughout that month we made 131 views and 1 subscriber, but no ad revenue just yet. And then again in February, no ad revenue was actually made because the channel wasn't monetized at this point. But for the month of February, I did post 1 video, which was on the 12th of February. So at this point, 2 months in, with only 2 videos, which isn't great, but for the month of February, we accumulated 407 views and an extra 9 subscribers. And then again in the month of March, no ad revenue was actually made because the channel wasn't monetized and we hadn't hit the threshold to actually get monetized, which I believe was 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But luckily in this month we saw 3,000 hours of watch time. So this was a great month for the channel with 44,700 views and 1,400 subscribers. So this month was the month that changed the channel and actually got us monetized. And now for the month of April, which is where things started to get interesting, as this was the first month where the channel was actually monetized. So for this month we made £127 and 12 pence, which is around $172.26. But as you can see here, monetization for the channel only started sort of halfway through the month on the 11th of April. So that sort of shot up there, and as we can see, I then posted another 2 videos. But in total, I actually posted 3 videos for this month, one right at the beginning, one sort of halfway, and then towards the end. And then on top of that, we did 53,600 views and another 1,400 subscribers again, so very similar to the month before, and a total watch time of 3,500 hours, which was a great month. So the month of March and April were great for growing this channel and getting it past that monetization threshold. As for the month of May, this was actually the first month of ad revenue being made throughout a whole month. So as you can see here, for May we made £229 and 11 pence, which I believe is around $311.37. So again, a great month for monetization and earnings for a small and growing channel. So for views, we did 49,700 views, which is great, 3,500 hours of watch time and 1,100 subscribers. So the channel was still growing at this point, which is great. Okay, so now for June, which is actually a really interesting month for multiple different reasons. The first obviously being the ad revenue, which we took home £305 and 70 pence, which is around $415.46. In terms of the year of 2021, this was the highest paid month throughout the year. But the other reason and why I say that it was the most interesting month is because this was the month where the channel actually started to take a decline because of fault of my own. I basically had to start taking more responsibility in my online business. So I had to put YouTube on the sort of back burner for a while, which you can kind of tell already, seeing as the channel was growing and doing so well. I'd only posted once during the month of June. So as I continue showing the rest of the months throughout the year, you will start to see a decline. We did 49,400 views, 3,600 hours of watch time, and 956 subscribers. Okay, so quickly before I move on to the month of July, I just want to preference that although I'm showing you guys these numbers and I'm telling you it's going up, it's going down, it's declining, whatever, I just want to let you guys know that this is a hobby. I do enjoy making videos, so any money that I do make from YouTube is always a benefit, it's always a plus, and I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be monetized and actually make a little bit of money from this as well. Now for the month of July, this month we made £250 and 19 pence, which is around $340.02. So as I just said, this is where we do start to see a decline, and for this month I did try to sort of bring it back. Although I was busy, I was trying to post more videos, so I posted twice at the end of the month. But I do believe that this video we see here on the 29th of July is actually the last video I posted to my channel. So we went a good couple of months towards the end of 2021 without posting any videos at all, and I'm pretty sure this will be the first video of me posting since that video. But with that, we did 43,400 views, 3,100 hours of watch time, and 741 subscribers, so still a good month. Now for the month of August, which is where we did £157 and 87 pence in ad revenue, which is around $214.55. And also for this month we did 34,300 views, 2,400 hours of watch time, and we also accumulated 599 new subscribers. So still nonetheless a very good month as well. Okay, so moving on to the month of September, which is also another quite interesting month. And this is because we're actually starting to see a drop in views, watch time hours, and subscribers. But despite that, we actually saw more ad revenue in the month of September than we did in the previous month. And I do believe this has a lot to do with the ad budget towards Christmas, as towards the end of the year, a lot more companies are willing to pay more for their ads to be placed on YouTube videos. So I think this has a lot to do with that. But regardless, we did £173 and 89 pence, which is around $236.32. So we did 27,300 views, 1,900 hours of watch time, and we also accumulated 485 new subscribers. So obviously we're now starting to see that decline I was talking about, but the ad revenue is sort of staying at the same sort of steady level. Okay, so now for the month of October, which is where we start to see a drastic change in the channel and decline. Obviously the views, the watch time hours, and subscribers have dropped a lot, and now we're starting to see the ad revenue drop as well. So for the month of October, we made £117 and 96 pence, which I believe is $160.31. And then with the views, we did 14,100 views, we did 1,000 hours of watch time, and 219 subscribers. Okay, so now for the month of November, which is again where we're seeing a lot lower numbers in views, watch hours, and subscribers, but the ad revenue is staying somewhat quite high considering the view counts because of the higher budgets for the marketing from companies obviously buying ads on YouTube. So for the month of November, we did £100 and 21 pence, around $136.19. But what I found quite interesting in this month is where it starts to go quite bad for the channel and starting to slow that growth down a lot, is the fact that we're seeing on some days we're actually losing subscribers. So there's a lot of people realizing that I haven't posted in a while. Obviously my fault, I hold my hands up. But we did 9,500 views, 706 hours of watch time, and a plus of 130 subscribers. Okay, so now for the last month of the year, which being December, we made £94 and 96 pence, $129.12. But again, we saw the views, they're sort of hovering very similar around the November mark, which is 9,800 views. Again, watch time is very similar to the previous month of around 700 watch time hours, and 138 subscribers as well. But again, we're starting to see some days where we're actually losing subscribers. So I'm hoping that from this video and onwards, I should start posting a lot more frequently now I have a little bit more time on my hands. And hopefully we'll start to see a sort of increase in subscribers, and hopefully we won't see days days like this. Okay, so now to wrap things up, I'm going to give you guys the numbers behind the channel of the year of 2021. So starting off, we have the views. We did 336,400 views. We did 23,400 hours of watch time, and we gained 7,200 new subscribers, which is absolutely crazy considering back in January when I first started the channel, uploaded my first video, I had no idea what to expect, and I wasn't expecting these numbers, and that's for sure. So it's absolutely crazy to see these numbers achieved within the first year. As for the ad revenue, we did £1,557 and 1 pence, which I believe is $2,116.10. So again, absolutely crazy numbers, and I'm incredibly grateful for this first year of YouTube. But moving forward into the year of 2022, I definitely want to start making more YouTube videos again and start uploading a lot more frequently, because I really do enjoy seeing the comments that you guys leave on my videos when I know that they help you out. So I'm definitely going to be pushing for that a lot this year. I hope this video has been of some use to you guys, and if you have perhaps been contemplating as to whether you should start a channel in the year of 2022, I highly recommend that you do, and I hope this video has given you some good insight as to what to expect from a new and growing channel. Or perhaps you came across my video as you've already started your YouTube channel and you wanted to get another realistic view into another small and growing channel. So I really do hope this has been some use to you guys as well. But if you do have any questions regarding this video, please do let me know down below in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as I can. But with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.